I am going to explain about the concave mirror and convex mirror. Here observe this lens, how it will be look like. And another one is, here it is. You can observe the both are lenses. Which one is concave mirror and which one is convex lens? I am sorry students, I am again repeating. This is which type of lens and it is which type of lens. How can you identify the which one is the concave and which one is the convex? Let's do a small experiment for better understanding students to identify easily. Let's take a book. Here the book I am taking for better understanding student. Lens means we can use in our daily life. Students, first of all, we know about the lens. So I am taking a book. Students, first of all, know the lens works on the principle of refraction. I repeating, lens works on the principle of refraction. Lens are used in medical and scientific research purpose. Lens have two focal points. Students, lens are two types. First one is concave and second one is convex. Let's see the identification. Let's take a notebook. We have to check. See this, how the objects are appear for us. Okay students, are you observing very carefully? See this, how the objects are lens we are showing, how the objects are showing like this. Here is the first one and the second one. See this, are you observe this, the both two same or different, how the words are looking like. See here, I am taking here, another taking here. So see the this type of lens how we are using, we can observe in our daily life. Student, you can observe, see here how the objects like looking like, how it's showing like this. So here I am telling students, the first one here it is a concave mirror, sorry, concave lens. So concave lens means here students, okay, somebody is saying Shekhar hello. So here I am showing the lens. Lens works on the principle of refraction. How it will be identified, it is a concave lens. Another one is it is a convex lens. First of all, see the concave lens. So concave lens here, thinner in the middle, here thinner in the middle, thicker at the edges. See this, here the thicker at the edges. See students, so somebody saying assalamu alaikum, okay, thank you, walaikum assalam. So here the concave lens I am showing, the concave lens middle is the thinner and here thicker at the edges. We can touch here thicker at the edges. Students, you can understand. Here it is the concave lens and second one is the convex lens. See here, we can here puffed up, here objects looking like puffed up. Students, convex lens are thicker at the middle, and thinner at the edges. So quite opposite. See students, it is the concave lens. Okay, here it is the concave lens. Here thinner in the middle. So you can attach thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. You can observe here. So it is a concave lens. Here it is a convex lens. Okay students, okay, are getting my point? Here it is the concave lens, here it is the convex lens. So we can observe by seeing this concave lens, the object formed at can be real, virtual, enlarged and depend upon the position of an object. Okay, so concave lens Students, you can understand. Concave lens are, we can see, always virtual and diminished. See this, virtual and diminished. The object showing in the small. So we can see object showing in a small. Okay, students, you can see concave lens are, you can see the objects here I am showing. So you can see the concave lens are always virtual and diminished. So next one is we can understand very nicely. Students, you can see here another object is, you can see concave lens always diverging lens. Concave lens used by the people suffering from myopia. They can see near objects. Concave lens, they can see near objects but unable to see far objects. It is called a concave lens. You can identify here, students, you can see thinner in the middle, thicker at the edges. Okay, so it is the concave lens. You can see, students, you can observe carefully. We can see by showing this glass, mirror glass. Okay, so somebody asking concave lens used by they having suffering myopia. For example, so how to put, we can see, you can observe the doctor also. We can go for the any side problem. Here the concave lens, the student will be suffering. Ante nearly means he can unable to see the door, unable to see the blackboard. What sir is writing? You can use the man suffering from myopia. Myopia means short sightedness. He will see the near objects but unable to see the far objects. Okay, Neeraj, thank you very much. And next one is, you can see this glass. So the objects are virtual and diminished. The objects we can see in the concave lens are virtual and diminished. See this. So next one is, we can see convex lens. See here. Convex lens means they will see the objects, far objects clearly but unable to see the near objects. So nothing but the objects in convex lens is virtual, enlarged. Yes, convex lens. So CONVEX, Neeraj sir. CONVEX. Convex lens are always see, you can see the person who is suffering from hypermetropia. Hypermetropia means nothing but he will able to see the far objects, unable to see the near objects. Okay, thank you very much. So we can observe the object formed on the convex lens will be virtual, enlarged, diminished, are based upon the position of an object. Hypermetropia person will use the convex lens. Here myopia person use the concave lens. See, you can observe this up. You can see this both concave lens and here the convex lens. Students, next I will show you properly. Somebody is not understanding. So for example, I am taking concave lens. Okay. So concave lens, how it will be identified? Students, I am questioning how it will be identified. Concave lens, middle is the thinner. Middle is the thinner, you can understand. Here outside it will be thicker. Okay. Here it is the concave lens. Concave lens are always virtual and diminished. See this. The objects will be virtual and diminished. Diminished means small in size. Diminished means small in size. Okay. So next one, here the person who is having myopia. Myopia means the person is suffering to see the far objects. He will see, okay, small in size. Diminished means small in size. Neeraj. Okay. So it was the main thing. Next one is the person here, the image formed is always virtual and diminished. Diminished means small in size. You can see. Diminished means small in size. Okay, you can see The person who is suffering from myopia, he will see the near objects but can't see the far objects. The objects will be in virtual and diminished. That was the concave lens. And next one is the convex lens. See here, convex lens, nothing but the image will be, they will see the, okay, ask Neeraj. Okay, question, I will stop. What your question is asking? You can type, I will tell. So, you can nothing but here convex lens. So, here it is a convex lens. He will see the convex lens, the man suffering from hypermetropia. He will see the far objects, but he can't see the near objects. Convex lens image formed nothing but real, virtual, enlarged and diminished based upon the position of an object. Concave lens have negative focal length. See here. Here the convex lens, you can see and you can observe. The objects will be real, virtual and enlarged. See here. Students, you can observe very easily. See here. Real, virtual, enlarged and diminished based upon the size of an object. Okay, this was about the concave lens and the convex lens. So, next see the by using this type. Okay, first one it is an concave type. It is an concave type. So, convex lens, the person who is, he will see the convex lens, the person who is suffering from to see the near objects. Your question is convex is close thing, okay. So, the objects, here I am showing for you. Here it is the concave lens and another one is, here it is the concave lens and here it is the convex lens. So, you can observe, okay. So, I am putting some objects like this for the better understanding. So, I will take one beaker. So, beaker, so we can understand. So, lens are, okay, students, here the concave lens. Concave lens, we can see this, the concave lens virtual and diminished. Virtual and diminished. The objects are virtual and diminished. Left one is small, okay. So, you can identify, let's show, it is not clear. Students, wait for a moment. Here it is the concave lens. See students, here it is the concave lens. Concave lens means, I will show, it will identify easily. Concave lens means thinner in the middle, thicker at the edges, thinner in the middle, thicker in the objects. Concave mirror means the person who is suffering from myopia, he will see the near objects, he can't see the far objects. So, he will see the far objects. The concave lens, the image formed is always virtual and diminished. Virtual and diminished. So, here you can see. Virtual and diminished. It is the real fact. By wearing these glasses, okay, wearing these glasses, we can observe this is a concave lens. The person will see the far objects. This is the concave lens. Okay. Next one is convex lens. See here. Convex lens, here we can see the students, thicker in the middle, thinner in the objects. Another show, the surface is puffed up. You can observe. Here it is puffed up. See this. Puffed up. Okay, puffed up. But here the objects So why the brain is going out of? So students, wait for a moment. See these two glasses. So if you are identify which one is concave, which one is convex. Say concave is not puffed up, convex is puffed up. So it like a puri. It like a puri or chapati. It will be puffed up. It is a convex lens. It is a convex lens. Here it is a concave lens. So concave lens middle is a thicker at the edges. Thicker at the edges. So next one is here the convex lens. Convex lens means it will be puffed up. Surface puffed up outwards. Please change the subject. Okay. So today I am going to explain about the concave lens and convex lens. Lens works on the principle of refraction. Okay. Lens works on the basis of refraction. You can see the concave lens. You can see the observe here, understand properly. Here it is the concave lens. Here it is the convex lens. Sound lesson next time I will tell. Don't worry. So here it is the concave lens. Here is the convex lens. So next video I will tell the sound chapter. Neeraj, thank you very much for showing your interest. Neeraj, I will definitely tell about the sound chapter in the next live video. So let me complete this video of this today topic. Okay, Neeraj. Here it is the concave lens. Here it is the convex lens. Concave lens, the outer side is thinner. Thank you, ma. Thank you, Neeraj. Here, convex lens, here it is a puffed outside. You can see this. These glasses used by the myopia person. These glasses used by hypermetropia person. Myopia, the person can't see the far objects. He will see the near objects. These lenses are used. Concave lenses are always virtual and diminished. See this, virtual and diminished. Okay, next one is, here it is the convex lens. Convex lens we can observe here it will be, the surface will be puffed up outside. Okay, here surface curved inwards. Surface is curved inwards. Okay. Convex is puffed upwards, Nana. Puffed upwards. Here it is so it will be surface curved inwards. Okay. Thank you. Here the objects we are showing in the convex lens are real, virtual and enlarged. See, you can see. And enlarged. You can observe here enlarged in convex lens. Okay, here virtual and diminished. The objects are small in size. You can see. Okay, students, that was the class today. Convex lens and concave lens. Please like, share and give your valuable comment. Subscribe to my Physics Thinker channel. Click the notification bell to get more updates. Have a nice day, students. It's time to say bye-bye. Next live video, I will show about sound chapter. Thank you, ma, for suggesting Neeraj. Have a nice day. Bye.